What is up, YouTube? Today is November 10, Monday. Tomorrow's Veterans Day. Um, we are done. We're already out the market. Um, I get on here and start saying, holy smokes. Let me look at this real quick for y'all. I wonder if there's a way I could. Okay, I could do that. So, we took this quick long at 8:54. Got out at 8:58, or we hit our take profit at 8:58. Coming into market, we created two 4-hour bears off this 550 point fall off on Thursday. Um, um, Why does it look like that? Okay, so yeah, as you can see, we had these two 4-hour gaps that I was looking at coming into market open, or not market open last night, and I wanted to see if these would be held or respected to continue to push us down to maybe one of our lows that we have down here. But as we can see the 4-hour bear was flipped. um so we come down to the let's come down to the 5. Market opened pretty quick open. We popped up 100. We're up 130 points. That's not too crazy, but let me come down to the 1 real quick actually. um I didn't really see anything. Obviously, we flipped this 4-hour bear and we flipped this 4-hour bear. We didn't take any liquidity. Well, we did take out this this London high. Um, we created multiple 5-minute gaps. We created multiple 5-minute gaps that we could see right here. We are not multiple. It's only two. But we had this first one, and we had this second one right here. And I thought, or I didn't think, but I was looking at both of them. And if we go back to the 1 minute, we also have. I feel like I'm always rushing my recaps. But if we come back down to the 1 minute, we also have this gap right here at 8:30 from the open. So once I saw price tap into this first presented 5 minute, well, I was actually gonna wait for the 15 to close, but price was respecting the 5 a little bit too much. So the 15 ended up closing down here. But I came in, I saw that price was respecting it. I didn't take this first entry coming out of it because I thought that, well, I didn't want to. That's it. I did want longs if this was held, but I just didn't like this first one. I didn't want to take it. I didn't take it. Um, I was looking on this candle right here. I was like, okay, we might come back and touch this 1 minute to take out more liquidity. Maybe if we flip this 1 minute and we inverse it, then we could probably look for shorts to these lows that these lows that we have here are London low and our Asia low and our London low. We have this 1 hour gap right here from Asia session. We also have, no, that was actually this is our Asia high. My fault, y'all. London low, Asia high, and this Asia low, and then we have our new week opening gap low right here as well. But I was thinking that if we were to flip this first presented 1 minute bear, we would come down and take out this liquidity right here. Obviously, I'm talking about price as it is at 9:16 a.m. and not later into the day. But as we can see right here, we do end up respecting this 5-minute gap to a T. We come fill it, and I took my entry coming out of it. My entry was at 25,612.75. It was actually one tick higher. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to get that exactly, but let me try again. Okay, right there. And my exit was 652.25. So I took this trade for a total of 39.5 points, about 40 points on the day. If we come look at my balance, 4K on the day. We are currently trading 5 accounts. Eligible to get a payout on our Funded Next account by the end of the week. Our Apex accounts should, if every day is a green day, which it will be, no, you got to speak it into existence. That will also be a payout by the end of the week. And then I have one My Funded account that I passed just now off this trade, and I have one live account that I'm trading currently. Yeah. So that is my recap for today. Calm little long for 40 points. It's only 9:10, 9:17. This is what I want to do every day. I hope y'all boys and girls caught a win today. Is there anything else? Nah, that's really it. That's really it. Government is still shut down. I heard that they do plan on opening it. So if they do, we are gonna get a buttload of red folders dropping at the end of the week. So that should be good for price action. But yeah, that's my trade recap for Monday. Hope y'all have a blessed day. I'm gonna see y'all. Tomorrow's Veterans Day, but I will be taking the trade tomorrow night or tonight for Asia session just to get my consistency days out the way. But I'm not trading tomorrow. Hope you have a good day.